Mirror, mirror on the wall, are you clean or not at all? Well, not the right phrase, but quite true. Mirror is something that most of us use on our daily basis, but also not to forget, it is one of the things that is neglected the most when it comes to cleanliness. Mirror often is caught up with dust particles or fingerprints or some or the other kind of dirt. So, what do we do to have a mirror or glass items or window glasses sparkling again and shining all throughout? There is something that I would like to share with you. It's quite commonly used. However, for those people who do not know this way, it is going to be helpful because most of us use the sponge with the wiper, that is the mirror cleaning wiper or glass cleaning wiper, which is a lot in use or in fashion, you could say, nowadays for cleaning glassware items. However, this is one of the old hacks which I find it helpful or useful till date, to have your glass or mirror sparkling as good as new. So stay with me and ensure that you watch it till the end, because I have a bonus tip of how do you keep your glass items that you use in the kitchen, the glass that you use to drink, or the glass dishes or something. How do you keep it sparkling? I'm going to share this as well with you. So do not forget, you'll have to wait till end to watch this episode. And before I start with today's hack, I would request for those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it to get updates on all my upcoming videos. So let's carry on with today's episode. So here is my mirror, and can you see the stains that it's got? Well, I am just going to show you where it is stained so that you would know actually how neat it looks once it's cleaned. What you'll have to do for this is you'll have to just take a plain paper and wet it a little in this way. And once you have taken the wet paper, just rub it on the area where you see the mirror stains. And then you'll just take another dry newspaper and wipe off the area of the mirror which you just cleaned with the wet newspaper. Now you might have to struggle a little in case if the stains are too intense or too much. You might have to wet the paper again and rub it, or a little you might need a pressure and rub it a little hardly on the stained area. And in this way you will have a nice sparkling mirror. As you can see, it will be as good as new. So this is going to take some time. So this was one of the methods which we use quite commonly to get rid of stains or dust on the mirror. It's a very good way to remove fingerprints, which come in case if your kid touches the mirror or something. It's very good to remove the stains of the fingerprint in this way, or the dust. Next, I'm going to show you is how to clean your glass windows. You'll require little soap. You can make use of a sponge instead of the paper, and just wet it and add the soap on it, and thereafter you'll have to rub this on your window in this way. You can just keep doing it like this and rub it on the area where it is dirty. Once you're done cleaning the area with the wet piece of paper, you could take a dry one and start rubbing it over the area which you just cleaned with the wet paper. Now, in this way, your glass is ensured going to look very neat and clean, and yes, as good as new again. Now, for the glassware items that you'll use in your kitchen, what you could do is just take the glass and put paste on it in this way. You can either use your finger to scrub it, or you can use a brush or the sponge, because what will happen with the sponge, it will not reach in the areas where it's required to be cleaned well so that it shines. You could use a glass, or your finger is the best way to have it cleaned, and you'll just go on rubbing the paste all over the glass in this way. This is, of course, one of the methods of cleaning your glassware items. However, in future, I will share more different tricks, more different ways of making your glassware items shine in a better way. So here I'm just going to clean it well, wash it well. Once you're done removing the paste from the glass in this way, you can just take your normal soap, so that your glass will not be smelling like toothpaste when you drink water from it, or drink tea. And there, just clean it with your normal dishwash liquid just around, so that the smell of the toothpaste is all gone. And you'll see that once you are done with washing your glass, it really sparkles well. I love this method because in this, all the stains that you see are completely gone, and your glassware items really shine in a very good way. So make use of the hack and let me know what do you think about it.